Pag nag-post ka ngayon ng video, Boss RTD, 1 hour, 100,000 na. Tapos pag tingin ko kinabukasan, million na yung views. Merong secret ingredient.
Eventually, I was able to hone down and have a specific process na alam ko sigurado na mag-work when it comes to posting videos on the internet.
Meron ka ng 3.6 million followers. Paano magkaroon ng ganong karaming following?
Attention is the new gold. If you have attention, you can leverage that to create a lot of money. Meron tayong process na ginagawa at binubuo ngayon.
We will be launching a masterclass.
Ituturo namin lahat ng proseso kung paano magkaroon ng ganong klaseng influence and at the same time, paano mo mali-leverage yan sa business mo.
Ito na yung opportunity mo.
Be taught by masters in their own craft. Si Boss RDR, isa sa mga pinakamalulupit na business influencer dito sa Pilipinas.
Kung gusto natin manatiling relevant ang negosyo natin, kung gusto natin manatiling relevant tayo, I'm encouraging you to become a content creator.
This is it.
Paano ka nga ba kikita ng milyon-milyon kada buwan sa paggagawa lang ng video sa social media? At paano nga ba nagiging successful na negosyante ang mga content creator, vlogger, at influencer na nag-umpisa lang sa pagpo-post ng video? Welcome!
My name is RTD.
This is RDR.
This is Business Content Creation Masterclass. Napaka-interesting ng question mo. At posible ba yun? Kumita ng 1 milyon buwan-buwan or mahigit as a content creator?
Ikaw ang pinaka-perfect na tao to explain that. I've seen your videos. Pag nag-post ka ngayon ng video, Boss RTD, napansin ko 1 hour, 100,000 na. Tapos pag tingin ko kinabukasan, million na yung views. Paano nga ba nagagawa yun?
If you create a content that people will watch, ang nangyayari is binabayaran ka ng social media platform, in my case, Facebook, in between those content mo. Parang nagiging commercial siya. For example, teleserye before. Kumikita sila doon sa mga commercial na nangyayari in between doon sa ginagawa nilang teleserye. As a content creator, pag nag-post ka ng content na quality, Facebook will put ads in between those videos and hence, babayaran ka ng Facebook para doon sa mga ads na yun.
Same principles din, kagaya dati sa mainstream sa TV.
Yes, sir.
Ang difference lang is, si mainstream kasi, sila yung humahanap ng commercial na ilalagay sa show mo. Dito sa atin naman, si Facebook na yung naghahanap ng ilalagay na commercial sa content mo.
Exactly. Kasi ikaw, as a business owner, for sure nasubukan mo ng mag-FB ads. Yung FB ads na yon, dun pumapasok yon sa mga content creator. Basically, it's an ecosystem of Facebook ads para magkaroon ka ng benta sa business mo, babayad ka kay Facebook para ilabas niya yung ads mo all over people na nasa Facebook. And at the same time, me as a content creator, gagawa ako ng content na maraming nanonood at isisingit niya lang yung ads mo doon in between my content. Kaya, nagkakaroon at kumikita ng ganun kalaki when it comes to content creation when I post video on the internet.
Totoo nga ba na milyon kada buwan ang kinikita mo?
Well, it is possible. Pero to reach that kind of level, to earn that much every month consistently requires a lot of process, requires a lot of experience, and requires a lot of creativity. And that is the reason why hindi lahat ng mga content creators na nagpo-post has millions of views automatically means na marami din silang kita. Kasi it's the amount of the quality of the people that watch you, kung saan sila nanonood, and at the same time, kung gaano sila katagal nanonood ng content mo.
Ibig sabihin, merong secret ingredient kung paano ka makakagawa ng content na magiging trending or magiging viral.
In my process for more than 5 years, super dami kong pinagdaanan, testing, learning process, that eventually I was able to hone down and have a specific process na alam ko sigurado na mag-work when it comes to posting videos on the internet.
I've seen your Facebook, meron ka ng 3.6 million followers.
Yes.
Paano magkaroon ng ganong karaming following?
If you post content that are quality, okay naman magkaroon ka ng maraming followers. Mas okay magkaroon ng followers na quality kesa followers na madami. Because at the end of the day, merong pagkakataon ka to leverage those followers in the future. Meron kasing mga followers na nandyan lang, hindi mo alam kung sumusuporta ba talaga. Madalas, nanonood lang yan kasi inaabangan ka lang na mag-face.
May mga hate followers.
Of course, there are a lot of people like those.
Meron din good followers.
Yes.
Marami ngayon sa social media, sakay lang sila lagi sa cloud. If there's an issue or a trending topic or a hot topic, sinasakyan lang nila, nakikisaw-saw lang sila at nakikipag-away lang. Where in your case, yes, partly ginagawa mo siya, pero napakatalino ng content mo eh. Nagagawa mo na ma-convert yung critical thinking ng mga tao because of your content. Kumbaga, pwede ka sumakay sa mga issues, pero nakakapaggawa ka pa rin ng values. Bakit Bakit ganito yung naisip mo?
People wants to seek out issues of other people. Minsan, gusto nilang nakikita yung tao na may problema kasi mas okay sa kanila na namumroblema yung iba kaysa sa sila.
Ang ginagawa mo is, tara, ito yung gusto ninyo, panoorin nyo muna ako, pero at the later part of my video, tuturuan ko kayo ng leksyon.
Exactly. Hinuhook ko lang sila. Gusto mong chismis? Gusto mo ng issue? Come, meron akong ganun. Pero hindi nila na-realize that I'm actually leading them into a specific place wherein I'm already trying to influence them how to think critically on recent issues. Kasi madalas hindi lahat ng nakikita natin na may issue na obvious na tama ay siya ang tama at ang obvious na mali ay siya ang mali. Ginagamit ko kung ano man ang merong influence ako for people to have that kind of mindset of critical thinking, not too quick to judge, to think very carefully before and weighing all of those options. Kasi madalas ang mga tao headline readers lang pero hindi alam ang konteksto ng buong istorya. That is why when I go try to have topics sa aking mga content, I make sure na meron talagang research yan, merong background at merong solid proof on both sides para ma-weigh mo ng husto ang sitwasyon.
Oo, kasi maraming mga so-called content creator, influencer, and vlogger ngayon na hanggang sa umi-epal na lang sila doon sa issue para mas mag-views sila at mag-reach sila. Bukod sa monetization doon sa platform, what are the opportunities behind being an influencer or a content creator?
Before, oil was the new gold. In this day and age, attention is the new gold. If you have attention, you can leverage that to create a lot of money.
But attention meaning there's a lot of kinds of attention. Attention na nagugustuhan ka nila dahil natututo sila sa'yo. Attention na nakikichismis sila sa'yo at nakikibalita sila sa'yo. Attention na natututo sila sa'yo at gumagaling sila sa'yo. Marami ngayon ang sumasakay lang sa mga recent issues and mga viral issues and mga hot topics. Pero hindi nila nagagawang matalino yung content nila, baka kasi sila, ganun din yung personality nila.
For sure, 100%.
Kung gusto mong maging credible ka, and your credibility means your bankability. Magkakaroon ka ng value in the future. So yung mga valuable na mga tao, susundan ka nila and you would inspire them and you would motivate them and you would actually transform them into being a better person.
Yes, yun yung tinatawag na quality followers. There are people that gives you attention. Pero we're talking about longevity. Gaano katagal mo kayang gawin to? And I truly believe that if you give value to the audience will give you twice back. Yun ang gusto kong i-influence, not just the people that's watching, but also those possible content creators na at the end of the day, the thing that you're supposed to be putting out there is a content that makes other people's lives. Byproduct na lang yung kikita ka. And when I tell you na pag kikita ka ng malaki. Pero hindi mo makukuha yun kung ang unang expectation mo pagkakitaan lang yung mga taong nanonood sa'yo.
Kung ang focus mo is monetization, revenue lang, you will not be a very good influencer.
And you will not last.
Parang pinifake mo lagi yung sarili mo eh.
Exactly.
Naniniwala naman ako, kahit yung mga content creator ngayon na gumagawa ng mga contents for the cloud, may kabutihan sa puso yan. It's just that kailangan lang nilang gawin yun just to retain and maintain the attention.
Yes. Meron tayong process na ginagawa at binubuo ngayon for us to hit those spots na sinabi mo.
Yes.
May attention ka, you're able to live a legacy, and at the same time, you get a lot of people to watch you, and at the same time, earn money.
Actually, we will be launching a masterclass. And this is the first time that RTD and RDR would collaborate. And the goal is, sa mga negosyante especially, kung sa palagay ninyo, nauubos na yung pera ninyo ng kaka-ads, panahon na gumawa ka ng content, na ikaw naman yung babayaran ngayon, sisikat ka pa at ma-expand mo yung negosyo mo through content creation. Bukod doon, kailangan nyo ng quality audience. In my case, Boss RTD, nakakatuwa lang dahil yung mga nanonood ng mga videos ko, karaniwan, kung hindi sila negosyante, mga gustong magnegosyo o may mga pangarap sa buhay. Na-realize ko, nung umattend ako ng masterclass mo, yun na pala yung naging impact ko sa tao. That's the reason why gusto ko makipag-collaborate sa'yo. Kasi gusto ko yung mission mo. Kaya mo ginagawa yung ginagawa mo.
Yes.
Natapos na naman yung batch 2 ng RTD Masterclass. And for sure, nakita nyo, napakarami na namang mga aspiring content creator. Ang talaga namang ngayon, mas mapapabilis nila yung proseso ng pagiging sikat nila and at the same time, nagiging beneficial sa negosyo nila. So this one is batch 1 ng RTD and RDR. Pagka pinalampas nyo itong oportunidad na to, mahihirapan kayong humanap ng credible na mentor when it comes to content creation. Why? Number 1, maraming mga content creator and vlogger and influencer na napasikat nila yung sarili nila pero hindi nila alam kung paano ito ituturo sa ibang tao kasi wala silang process.
Tama.
Maaaring nagandahan sa kanila, naseksihan, na machuhan, nagalingan magsayaw, or nagalingan kumanta, or whatever. Ang kaibahan namin is meron kaming step-by-step guide kung paano namin nakuha itong level ng influence namin ngayon. What can you say about that?
Super perfect eh. Di ba may saying na, not all the best salesman becomes a great manager. And I think maraming content creators that has a lot of influence and a lot of following. Pero sa daliri lang, dito sa Pilipinas, ang kayang ituro kung saan sila nakapunta. Meron din namang magaling magturo, pero wala silang exhibit na ginawa para ipatunayan na gumagana yung tinuturo nila.
Exactly.
Mahirap makahanap ng ganong dalawang klaseng process na yun.
Correct. May experience at nakikita mo actual. Kapag ka nag-post ng video ngayon, mamaya-maya million views na. At yung pangalawa na isa pang mahirap na kunin is kaya bang ituro yun sa mga tao?
Exactly. That is one of their major reasons why I created a masterclass for content creators. And I'm so happy and super proud na isa sa mga pioneer batch ko was Boss RDR. And na-inspired din ako sa kanya nung umattend siya. I can say na nung in-apply mo yung mga natutunan mo doon sa batch 1, massive ang changes noon sa content mo.
Masyadong maliit yung salitang massive. Para sa akin, it's more of transformational. Because meron na akong mahigit 1 million accumulated following sa social media, but I still humble myself sa isang RTV. Kasi nakikita ko yung content ko ng isang buwan o 2 buwan, isang content mo eh. Ganun kaka-powerful. What if i-combine ko yung proseso na yon doon sa ginagawa ko ngayon? And true enough, nung in-apply namin, ganun nga yung nangyayari. Ibig sabihin, hindi ako magkakaroon ng lakas ng loob i-promote itong masterclass ng House Creatives. Nakita nyo naman siguro kung paano ka siya gustong ipakita sa lahat ng tao kung hindi mismo ako na-satisfy. Kasi mahirap kong bayaran ng isang RDR para mapapromote mo ko at mapasalita mo ko ng ganun. Talagang sobrang lupit nung ginawa mo sa akin. And ako talagang binibigay ko sa iyo, boss.
Thank you very much.
Hindi ako makikipag-collaborate sa iyo, boss, kung hindi ko nakikitang mas makakapag-provide tayo ng value sa mas maraming tao. Kasi mararamdaman ng tao kung fake ka eh. Kaya naman, this is the first time that we would do a collaboration masterclass training, batch 1. Especially sa mga negosyante at mga aspiring content creator, influencer, or vlogger. Sumali kayo dito sa gagawin namin program.
Yes, and I have my expertise in my own field. And si Boss RDR, I would love to think and I would argue, siya ang isa sa mga pinakamalulupit na business influencer dito sa Pilipinas. Kasi na-hit niya yung dalawa eh. May influensya and at the same time, kaya niyang ituro yun. And ang expertise niya is business. I know that there is nothing like this offered in the Philippines right now, that yung effect na mangyayari dito pag umattend ka sa masterclass ni RDR and RTD is astronomical ang changes na magagawa. Hindi lang sa buhay mo. Kasi hindi na ikaw ang maghahanap ng mga expert para sa marketing ng kumpanya mo. Ikaw na mismo ang expert ng marketing ng kumpanya mo kasi ituturo namin lahat ng proseso kung paano magkaroon ng ganong klaseng influence, paano magkaroon ng ganong klaseng virality sa video mo, and at the same time, paano mo mali-leverage yan sa business mo.
May dagdag ko lang, no? Ako as a business owner, ang lagi kong hinahanap is yung return of investment. Pag nangapital ako dyan, kailangan makuha ko yung ROI. I can give you money back guarantee kapag ka hindi ka natuto, kapag ka hindi mo na i-apply on that program yung mga ituturo namin. Ganun ako ka-confident kasi gusto ko may ROI kayo kagad. And mind you, hindi lang ito basta-basta program lang na ikakandak lang natin kung saan-saan. Nag-rent kami ng isang resort, Villa Elisa Resort sa Silang Cavite. Doon yung day 1 natin. Ang day 2 naman natin sa Canyon Cove, Batangas na Sugbo. May White Sand Beach ka dyan. We will be having dinner by the beach. And then at the same time, opportunity rin yun to network with other entrepreneurs and aspiring influencers. Day 3 natin, same. Nasa Canyon Cove po tayo, nasa resort po tayo. Premium po yung ginawa namin na program. So that, congruence. Nasa magandang place ka, nasa resort ka, panahon mo na para mag-relax. And then at the same time, ang dami po pang mga matututunan dun sa program natin about being a content creator, influencer, or vlogger. So kung ikaw, feeling mo na uubos na yung pera mo ng kaka-ads sa social media, kung ikaw, gustong-gusto mo talagang maging influencer para makatulong sa negosyo mo at mapalago yung negosyo mo, kung ikaw, gusto mong sumikat sa social media at kumita sa platform ng social media, eto na yung opportunity mo. Nag-iisa to. Ngayon na to. Kaming dalawa, RTD, RDR, magko-collaborate sa isang masterclass on the date na nakikita nyo ngayon sa inyong screen.
I would like to invite everybody, specifically to those aspiring content creators, kung nahihirapan ka paano humanap ng tamang mentor or how to really have that kind of leverage or advantage sa mga upcoming content creators, this is it. And for business owners who's trying to maximize their business, who wants to take advantage and exploit the power of social media through creating influence and applying it in your business, this is it. And if you're someone who has a lot of money, who is okay na sa business nila, but on the next level, which is trying to leave a legacy, the best way to do that is to create content in the internet, give so much value, because at the end of the day, if we're able to help ourselves, to help others through the money that we have accumulated, the next best thing that we can do is to live a legacy na kung sakaling wala na tayo dito after 15 years, 20 years, yung ating value na ibinigay doon sa mga taong natulungan natin, nandyan pa rin. And it will be immortalized through video content. And what's the better way to do that? Which is right now.
Sa lahat ng mga interesado umattend dito sa exclusive RTD and RDR Masterclass, meron po kaming ilalagay sa description or sa comment about kung paano kayo mag-fill out at kung paano nyo mare-reserve ang inyong seat dito sa napakagandang program na ginawa natin.
Disclaimer lang pala, hindi to para sa lahat.
Kung sa palagay ninyo magastos, kung sa palagay ninyo hindi para sa inyo, kung sa palagay ninyo masasayang lang ang oras ninyo, wag po kayong mag-e-enroll. Wag po kayong sasali, wag na wag.
Kasi we don't want people that we need to convince. Super exclusive nito na pwede tayong mag 100, pwede tayong mag 200. We have specifically limited this to 30 students lang, maximum.
And currently, as we speak, mahigit 10 na po yung nag-enroll as of this time of recording.
Super limited because we wanted to bring extreme value kasi babalik namin yung pera mo eh. This is only for people who have decided to take action doon sa content creation journey nila. If you're a content creator, if you're a business owner, sign up right now if you think you're one of those people who can partner with us. Again, hindi to para sa lahat. Para lang to sa mga taong gustong matuto, gustong mag-leave ng legacy, at gustong kumita ng pera para maitulong nila, hindi lang sa sarili nila, pero sa mga taong nakapalibot sa kanila.
Sa lahat ng mga aspiring influencer, content creator, sa lahat ng business owners, I'm encouraging you to become a content creator or influencer or vlogger. That is the future. Kung gusto natin manatiling relevant ang negosyo natin, kung gusto natin manatiling relevant tayo, you have to be a good content creator.
The best way to do that is being able to be taught by masters in their own craft. And we would love to think if ever you wanted to go to that specific place, we can guarantee that you can go there and we're gonna hold your hand towards that place na gusto mo.